Ratchet the Future Longbox here, and today we're gonna do top 10 Ratchet and Clank weapons. The first weapon we're gonna do top 10 Ratchet and Clank weapons. The first weapon is the Cryomine Glove from Crack in Time. This weapon was able to freeze your enemies and make them not move. So you could actually use them, or they could just, you can make your escape with these guys. The first weapon. The second weapon is the Blood Blades, my favorite weapon. These things are really tough. They can destroy you in one. They can destroy anything. The third weapon is the Rift Reducer 5000. This weapon is this weapon can eat your enemies, and you'd be like, ooh, that's good. The fourth weapon is the Harbinger from Ratchet Deadlocks. This weapon is so OP. It could destroy your enemies in like one blow. There's no way to do it. Oh wait, that was the fourth one, right? The fourth one. Maybe this is the fourth one. Maybe fourth. Maybe this is the fifth or fourth. I don't care. Fourth weapon is Mr. Zircon.
Mr. Zircon is the perfect companion.
Mr. Zircon is the perfect companion. He can help you kill enemies. The fifth weapon is the Gruatron. The Gruatron was meant to make your enemies dance. It was even in Tools of Destruction. Same thing, they make your enemies dance. They can make you dance, not in the Crack in Time, only Tools of Destruction. The sixth weapon is the Magnet Launcher. This weapon was in Tools of Destruction, and this weapon can make, or it's even in Crack in Time, it can make your enemies get into electrical net, and you could have time to for your escape, or you could just blow them up. The seventh weapon is the seventh weapon. I'm thinking of the seventh weapon. The Rhino 1. The Rhino 1 was kind of a bad weapon because it kind of shoots everywhere. It was kind of the baddest weapon ever. So yeah, the eighth weapon. What's the eighth weapon? Tesla Spikes. I actually like this weapon, but I think I'm adding it there. Tesla Spikes are kind of the goodest weapon ever, and so they kind of make your enemies like forget it. Tesla Spikes are kind of good, I guess, but they can make your enemies get electrocuted. The ninth weapon, the Rhino from Tools of Destruction. This Rhino is like the first game, but it's kind of not that good. It's like you're wasting your ammo. The final weapon. We all know the final weapon. It's my favorite weapon. The final weapon. It's gonna be the blaster. Well, this is the weapon that you maybe it's the second one. Actually, no. The blaster. It's kind of good, but when you upgrade it, oh my god, there's more damage to your enemies. So yeah, this is it. This is all the top 10 Ratchet and Clank weapons. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye.